Guys, Mike from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Here today with my man, Dr. Drew.
Hi guys, Happy New Year.
You can't see him because he's the key videographer of this little film.
Being George Lucas tonight.
That's it. So today we're not featuring Star Wars, we're featuring the adventures of a 2012 Dodge Journey and the perils of a customer who's purchased this vehicle new to them. Customer complaint, no heat.
Passenger side.
On the passenger side. Well, the original complaint was no heat at all. What we have found is we've got an issue with the blend door actuators. This vehicle has got dual climate control, as many modern vehicles have these days, meaning that the passenger can control their temperature, the driver can also control their temperature, which works very well for most marriages. With that being said, it's a kind of complicated system where many of you probably haven't had the pleasure of seeing the inside workings of such a unit and such a setup. In this case, we've disassembled the access point to gain access to the unit that is not working, which is the passenger side blend door actuator. When you look at the driver's side, you see Drew is pressing the changing the blend door, and that is working correctly. Do it again there, Drew. There you go. You see how that little motor is moving that up and down? The issue is, of course, the passenger side is supposed to have that exact same setup beneath it. But if you look at what we have here, and I'll get my little pointer in here, that is a piece of cardboard that is wedged in to where the actuator should be, and the plug, like this one has got the plug for the electrical control, is hanging for this one down below. So this vehicle was sold to the customer with this condition of an actuator that should have been replaced at the time, but because it was purchased in the summer, there was no requirement for heat until now, and of course we don't have heat. So our resolution to this problem is, Drew?
Well, we're going to have to get a actuator with some hardware and properly install it and calibrate it and get the heat temperature blend door working again.
Let's get it hot in here.
Oh, let's get it hot.
There you go. So if you need some diagnosis of electrical issues or heating issues in your vehicle, by all means, give us a call, send us an email, drop us a line below. Please hit subscribe and like to this video, and thanks for watching.